Hello. Tommy was just on TV, an interview about rats. And he made a friend because it's a cat cafe and they have all types of adopted animals here. And them two are already becoming friends. They were sniffing each other, playing together. And no, animals are not overpopulated. It's people who have doubled in 50 years, killed off 69% of wildlife. Hey, little Tommy. And we just got interviewed and we helped promote for these guys, like not animal testing, for makeup and household products. Here's some of the things we talked about. And petfoodshop.com.
Where's Tommy?
For little kitties. And here's Tommy, the one interviewed. Adopt, don't shop. Birdman vegan.